See, took my fucking shit.
What?
Watch my fucking shit, look, watch.
There
See
it
the
is.
fucking fly?
Yeah, let me see. Let me
I can't do this. I can't fucking do this, dude.
You want me to kill it, man?
What are you doing?
Where's the fly at? Huh? I don't see a fly.
Hey.
It doesn't fuck with me though. It's horrible.
Where do you see a fly at?
Suck it.
Just get some sleep. I'll turn the lights out, okay?
You guys are bastards.
I'm not fucking with you. You just started making some weird noise.
Oh my god.
Fly that don't even exist.
What
Like,
the fuck, you guys?
no, we didn't do
Oh
anything.
my gosh, that was horrible.
What happened?
Are you recording this?
No, I'm texting that girl.
I'll like, I'm not even joking. That was miserable.
What happened to you?
What happened to you? Fuck off.
What? No, you had a fly.
Can I borrow your iPad for a second?
Can you borrow my iPad?
Yeah.
I just bought this.
Okay, I'm not gonna hurt it if you're not recording anything.
I'm not recording anything. I'm talking to that girl, Caitlin. Perales.
I hope you are. See that fucking fly, dude. What the fuck, man? Oh my gosh. I'm losing my fucking head, man.
I'm trying to kill it, man.
I'm joking, like, I'm